Hello and welcome back to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make the very famous Rajasthani Pyaz Ki Kachori. This is a delicious Rajasthani dish originated in Jodhpur, but now it's available throughout India. Let's start by preparing the dough for the kachori. Take all-purpose flour, salt, Ajwain, crush it between palms, give a mix, and then add oil or ghee. Now mix the oil nicely to form a breadcrumb texture like this. Add water and combine to form a semi-stiff dough. Knead the dough nicely. Now cover it with a cloth. Let the dough rest. Meanwhile, we will make the onion stuffing. First, I'm going to grind some whole spices: coriander seed, cumin seed, fennel seed, and kasoori methi. Make a coarse mixture so that the spices release the aroma. Heat oil in a pan and then add the spice mix. Saute for a minute at low heat. Next, add hing or asafoetida. We are making Pyaz Ki Kachori, so lots of finely chopped onions. Add salt and then saute for 2 minutes at medium heat. Add grated garlic, ginger, and green chillies. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are soft. Besan or chickpeas flour is one of the secret ingredients which is used in most of the Rajasthani recipes. It really gives a different flavor. Let's add it. Put besan, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, black salt, cumin powder, amchoor, and garam masala. Mix everything and saute for 5 to 6 minutes so that the besan and spices are toasted nicely. Next, add boiled or mashed potatoes, raisins. The sweetness of raisin enhances the flavor of the stuffing. Sprinkle coriander leaves, lemon juice, give a mix, and the onion stuffing is ready. Take small portion of the stuffing and roll to form a sphere. Similarly, I'll divide the dough into small portions and make spheres. This way our kachoris will be of same size. Press with your fingers and flatten the dough to make a bowl-like structure. Put the stuffing and then make pleats and bring the edges together. Press the stuffing with your thumb and seal the edges nicely. Remove the extra dough. Now gently press to flatten it to make a sticky shape. Deep fry in medium hot oil. The oil should not be very hot, otherwise bubbles will be formed on the kachori crust. The kachoris will start floating in oil automatically. Flip and fry both the sides to nice golden brown color. It may take 10 to 15 minutes to fry at low to medium heat, but the kachoris will be super crisp. Let me take out the kachoris. Look at that, very smooth and crispy crust. These kachoris are a special treat with your evening tea or as a meal with some aloo ki sabji. They taste delicious anyways. Do give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. This tastes so good. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshaya Foods and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of of my latest videos. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.